Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best wakeboard boards is probably one of the most exciting ways to experience the thrill of the water. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, choosing the right board can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the top wakeboard boards on the market, breaking down their features, performance, and what makes them stand out from the competition, helping you make an informed decision for your next ride. Number 5. SereneLife Kneeboard with Hook for Water Sports. Get ready for some water fun with this kneeboard. It's perfect for both beginners and pros, offering great performance on the lake, beach, or river. This kneeboard is super light, weighing less than 9 pounds, and easy to carry. Its compact size makes it simple to bring along on all your water adventures. Enjoy a comfortable and secure ride with the soft knee pad and adjustable strap. They are designed to keep you safe and secure while you're out on the water. This kneeboard is designed to fit most teens and adults. It's a great choice for growing riders and adults alike, but not suitable for young children. Made with durable, marine-grade materials, this kneeboard is built to withstand water damage. It's perfect for both beginners and advanced riders, offering lasting durability. With 65 years of experience, we are committed to providing quality and reliable products. We are here to support you. What we like. This kneeboard is incredibly light, making it super easy to carry to your favorite spot. It also features a comfortable knee pad and secure strap, ensuring a safe and enjoyable ride. If you're looking for a board that's easy to transport and built to last, this is a great choice. What people say. This board is constructed, and more importantly, designed well. The knee pad is just the right depth and placement on the board to keep the nose at the right angle, the adjustable strap is heavy-duty and easy to grip and adjust in motion, and the tow rope holder at the front of the board allows the rider to get into position and strapped in using both hands before grabbing the handle from the holder to begin your ride. The board's length and width provide plenty of onboard stability. Number 4. ZUP You Got This 260 Board and Handle Combo. Introducing the ZUP You Got This 260 Board. This versatile board is perfect for a variety of water sports. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to experienced riders. This board is ideal for wakeboarding, wake surfing, kneeboarding, and more. It's designed to provide an exhilarating ride for all ages. You can carve, spin, or attempt tricks with ease. The integrated front tow hook enhances stability. The indestructible side handles provide excellent grip and control. The non-skid deck pad keeps you secure. Made with marine-grade ABS molded construction, it offers long-lasting durability. The EVA foam padding provides extra comfort and holds up over time. This board is built to withstand constant use. Suitable for riders up to 350 pounds, it offers a spacious and stable platform. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this board is the perfect choice for water sports adventures. What we like. This board is designed for multiple water sports, making it incredibly versatile. It's suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to experienced riders. If you want a board that can do it all and provide endless fun, this is the one for you. What people say. First session out and my oldest was already riding it standing up and my younger was loving the knee position and hopping over the wake. All the kids ranging from 8 to 11 with zero experience learned quickly to stand up on this board. Being able to lock the rope in until you're comfortable made all the difference in the world. Number 3. Full Throttle Aqua Wakeboard Kit, Black Blue. Get ready to hit the water with this amazing wakeboard kit. It's designed for riders who want a smooth and stable ride. The board features multiple channels, giving you increased stability and edge control. This helps you stay balanced and carve through the water with ease. The kit includes boots that fit a wide range of sizes. The universal sizing accommodates men's shoe sizes 7 to 13, so you can get right out on the water. It comes with 2 removable fins for added control. The quick tighten lace system makes it easy to secure the boots for a comfortable fit. This wakeboard is ideal for riders weighing 155 pounds or more. It's a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy some fun on the water. The board's length is 140 centimeters, or 55.1 inches. This size provides a good balance of maneuverability and stability for a great riding experience. What we like. This wakeboard offers increased stability and edge control, perfect for riders looking to improve their skills. The included boots with a quick tighten lace system provide a secure and comfortable fit. If you're looking to take your wakeboarding to the next level, this is a great option. What people say. This is an absolutely phenomenal wakeboard for the family. Board is big, sturdy, with cool graphics, and the bindings are great and fit all our feet from smallest, size 6.5 to size 11.5, shipping was fast, and packaging was top drawer. I'm impressed with the durability and range of size this offers in the boot. Doesn't scratch easy and has been easy for our boys to learn on. Exactly as described. Lightweight and high quality. Just buy it. My wife got up first pull and was very skeptical because of the 155-pound spec. She is 135 pounds and skied on it beautifully. Number 2. Polished aluminum kneeboard wakeboard combo tower rack. This rack is designed for both kneeboards and wakeboards. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring it will last for years. It's perfect for keeping your board secure on the water. Made with polished 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum, this rack is built to last. The double-polished finish gives it a mirror shine. It's both durable and stylish. The swivel mount allows for nearly 360-degree rotation. This means you can mount it at virtually any angle. It ensures the rack is level with your boat. It holds two boards securely, both a kneeboard and a wakeboard. Soft rubber inserts and bungee straps protect your boards. They keep them in place, even on rough water. This rack fits a variety of tubing sizes. The clamps are designed to fit tubing from 134 to 212. It's a versatile solution for many boat towers. What we like. This rack can hold both a kneeboard and a wakeboard, keeping your gear organized. The swivel mount allows for easy adjustment to level the boards. If you want to keep your board secure and organized on your boat, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. Fit my mega tower. Holds the kneeboard and a wakeboard well. Easy to install. Comes with plenty of rubber options. Well made. Make sure they send the right insert for the diameter of your tower. Fits perfectly on my Yamaha AR210 wake tower. Good sturdy mount, nice stainless hardware holds both the wakeboard and kneeboard securely with the included bungee. Number 1. Hyperlite State 2021 Wakeboard. This is the Hyperlite State 2021 Wakeboard. It's designed for riders of all skill levels. This board offers a smooth ride and excellent performance on the water. The State 2021 is known for its versatility. It excels whether you're hitting the rails or carving up the wake. It's a great choice for any wakeboarding adventure. Built to last, this wakeboard features a durable construction. It can withstand the rigors of regular use. You can count on it to provide years of enjoyment. Experience a smooth and comfortable ride with this board. Its design allows for easy transitions and controlled maneuvers. You'll feel confident on the water. Ready to elevate your wakeboarding experience? This board is the perfect choice. Get yours today and hit the water. What we like. This wakeboard is built for high performance and durability. It's designed to be great for all levels of riders. If you like to have a board that can handle anything you throw at it, this is a great choice. What people say. The board has a great design. The board works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.